eyes wide and full of wrath, her cane held in her right hand, on her left foot a cast. Beware, she says, the chaos in your heart will never cease until you find another way to harness what you seek. Her haunting tone, her restless speech, and the music of her mouth, her screeching nails and inner life are like a storm. They are loud. At once in all her glory then, we both begin to dance. My head rolls back, my chest explodes, my hand begins to cramp. To not know any peace is the great nightmare for us all. To wake and feel unsettled in a house that has no walls. So I must sing and build the walls to cradle my own space, and my own sound will grow the fortress of a home erased. And her and I will find a way to live as dueling twins. But I will know if in the end, Mistress of Mayhem wins.
I'll tell them my vengeance, you and conscious cause to kill the king upon his throne. I'm ready for their stones. I'll dance, dance, dance with my hands above my head.